Look what just came in. My brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's set it up. I've got my iPhone 15 Pro Max here. I've got a new case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I've got screen protection for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We're going to set all this up right now. Brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I don't know how other phone manufacturers do it, but the iPhone is so easy to do, as we just saw. I just placed my old iPhone 15 Pro Max next to my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and everything is taken care of. The phone number is transferred over, my Wi-Fi passwords and all were transferred over because I store them in the cloud. My information, my address, everything is synced to the new iPhone. It's amazing. I don't want to separate them and cause any problems. I'm filming this with my DJI Action 4. I'll be getting the Action 5. Looking forward to trying this baby out. Show me some of the videos and photos you've taken with your iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. Don't forget to like and subscribe over there on my YouTube channel, Richard Taylor TV. I'll catch you on the next one.